welcome to Red Ted Art. Today we're going to show you how to make this classic paper boat. And if you want to make the paper boat a little bit different, you can always add a little sail. Just showing you all the bits of the sail, very easy. Toothpick, sail, and just a little wimple. But anyway, it's all about this paper boat. And we've shown the paper boats before, but I thought I'd show you another video just in case. First of all, subscribe to Red Ted Art. We want to see you again and again. Anyway, what you'll need to make a paper boat is a sheet of A4 paper. To be honest though, most paper with roughly sort of, I don't know, these dimensions in terms of size and width work. I've made this out of ticket stubs before, out of crisp packets, all sorts. So it's just really, once you know the technique, this is sort of great relative dimensions, but A4 is perfect. So you start off with A4, you fold it in half, that way, like that. Make nice clean creases, it always helps. Fold it up in half again, that way. Alright, another nice crease, and then you open it. Now you turn it round. You've got your open end here and your closed end up there. You take this edge along the top and you bring it in line with the center. So this line up as neat as you can with the center, like that. Now you take the top line here and you line it up as neat as you can with your center. There we go. To be honest though, this origami is a little bit forgiving. If you don't get it perfectly neat, it usually still works. So it's a great one to start off as a child as well when you're learning to do origami. Now you take one, there's two flaps at the bottom, you take one up, like this, and then you tuck the ends in. So this is a little bit like the paper hat or the newspaper hat that people sometimes make. In fact, this is a little doll's hat or toy's hat. Turn it around, and now you fold the other one up to the line, like that. And again, you tuck it in, and you tuck it in, like that. So now you've got this sort of triangular shape. Now here comes the clever bit. We always call it the magic bit. You take the corners, and you can see I'm pushing it like that in. Did you see that? You push it in, and then you've got this diamond shape. Now you fold the bottom flap up, like this. You turn it round, turn the bottom flap up, like this, and you've got another triangle. Now you do the same as you did a minute ago. You've got the triangle, you push this and this tip together, like that, and then you've got another diamond. So did you see that? You were like this, and I pushed it together, like that. And now comes the really magical bit. Very gently pull these apart. And ta-da! You have your paper boat. And then you can tuck your fingers in at the bottom like this. So just to give it a bit of shape. And then you've got your classic paper boat. Right, so give it a bit more shape. And then it'll stand up as well. I think I squashed it a bit. And then if, like with this one, you want to make a little sail, you literally take a toothpick, cut out a little sort of oblongy shape, put on a little, it's stuck again, cut out a toothpick, put on a little wimple, keeps coming undone, naughty. How about I put the wimple on first, then it can't come undone. This is just some washi tape, cut into a triangle, like that, like that. There we go, that's better, isn't it? I made a little hole in here previously, and then you've got a little pirate boat. Wonderful. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little craft. Have a go at making origami boats. Once you've learned how to make it, you can make it out of any paper. Honestly, believe me, you will. So don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you here on Red Ted Art again soon. Bye!